Hello guys, welcome in today's crypto technical analysis. We had unnecessary panic in the market. Some people even expected that we dump even more. However, one thing that people are not aware, that our strong high time frame support level, which is 44,000 and 42,900, hold with high chance. So getting this type of dump or correction is very normal, nothing to panic about. As I keep repeating myself, that the March is usually the corrective month, which we witnessed in the history. And this correction will give us a great entry levels. And today we are going to discuss the BTC and Ethereum price actions. I really hope that you enjoy and learn from this video. As usual, I will provide a key educational content with clear levels, and this will help you to take your own trade. Before we start, as usual, hit the like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Now without wasting your time, let's dive in. Let's break down what happened. As you remember, we had our Fibonacci level at around 56,600 and 57,000, as I said. We went all the way up to 58,400 and we had a rejection from that level. As you can see, on the 4-hour candle, this candle, the bulls had tried to recover the price. However, we couldn't manage to break above 54,600 level and we witnessed a further dump in the market. And as you remember that I said we had this 236 level at around 51,900 and as well as horizontal resistance lines was around 52,000. Both of these played out dollar to dollar after rejecting week to week candles, you can see it, and we witnessed a further dump towards the downside. And I also gave few days ago this level, which is higher time frame support, 44,000 and 42,900. As you can see, we reached exactly to the box with $100 difference. And then I also mentioned last week's video about this dead cat bounce. First dump pumping all the way up to between 0.5 Fibonacci level all the way up to 618, and then we will be witness, as I said, the further dump in the market. As we can see, first point, dead cat bounced, which is a second point, third pump, and then we completed the dead cat bounce scenario. And bear in your mind, since we rejected 58,400, market is keep printing under a 4-hour, 2 hours, 1 hour time frame. We are having a lower highs and a lower lows, which means that the market is on a downtrend under a lower time frames. Moving on to the weekly chart, starting the BTC under a higher time frame, the weekly chart. As I said in the last video that the things are not good for the weekly time frame. As we expected, we had this ugly bear engulfing candle, which is not a good sign for the crypto market. So BTC couldn't close the weekly above 48,600 and 48,700 area. Now we are facing with this issue. So the question is, what bulls need to do in order to change the market structure or to take the control? We need to take a look at our horizontal support resistance levels along with magic Fibonacci. We will cover this in a minute. At the same time, I warned about, which is early to talk about, but bear in your mind, I warned last week again, this higher highs on the weekly chart. However, as you can see, on the other side, we can see a lower highs, which is quite concerning. And we should be careful about it. If it plays out, this will create a panic in the market. Overall, we are extremely bullish under a weekly time frame. Moving on to the daily chart. Today's daily candle looks good. However, we have a very important and serious resistance and Fibonacci levels above us. If we can manage to break them, then there will not be an issue. However, if we fail to do so, then this time we may test $35,000, $36,000, where our 100 EMA is located, as well as weekly 21 EMA is around this level, which is 35 and 36 region, as I said. Since the October, we haven't tested 100 EMA. If we cannot manage to break the daily resistance at around 50,700 and 50,800, then we are highly likely will see the power of the weekly bear engulfing, which I talked about. If you want to learn all this technical analysis, what I'm showing to you, and if you want to become an independent professional trader or you're interested in the institutional trading system, you can message me via Telegram at Magnate8, and one-on-one intense mentorship is available. It only takes you 5 to 10 hours to master all this. Moving on to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, as far as I can see, that we are under the water, trying to get out. However, We have got, as I said, very important and crucial levels above us. At this stage, 0.382, 48,870 level is acting support along line with the 49,500 area, the current resistance. However, in the near future, I'm watching 0.5 level. To be on the safe side, 0.618 level is very crucial to go further up. Moving on to 2-hour time frame. 2 hour is heavily underwater once we broke this 49,500 area, and still, as you can see, we are underwater. For 1 hour time frame, if you remember, we were consolidating in this box. However, at the moment, 1 hour time frame is trying to get out from the bear zone. Without clearing 51,600, 49,500, I will have a doubt about 1 hour time frame will go towards the bull zone. However, don't forget that we might change our support and resistance levels time to time. If that changes, you can follow me at CryptoMagnate8 via Twitter for an instant updates. As you remember, the beginning of the last week, we had this support level, 40,200, 42,500. However, the support level has been shifted. As you can see, I posted this via Twitter account, 44,000 and 42,900. And as you can see, we literally came right inside this box with a couple of dollar difference. We hold this level and we have a nice recovery. So therefore, instant updates for the levels change or market update, you can follow me via Twitter. And we don't need this support anymore. Quickly, I'm going to touch to this. We're having a lower lows on the 4 hour time frame. On the other side, as you can see, we have a higher lows. Same scenario we can witness under the 2 hour time frame, a lower lows and higher lows. So this is a bullish divergence, bear in your mind, and you've got clear levels, 51,600, 49,500 area. Along the way, we have this 0.618. However, in the first place, I'm going to watch how 0.5 level will react for the price action, which is 50,692 area. As I said, 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour time frames are in the bear zone. Now this price action could be a fake out, and then the price may consolidate further a bit, and then we might have a heavy dump in the coming next days. In the bull scenario, as long as we manage to break these levels and we are good to go towards to our all-time high zone, and $62,000 and $64,000 as well, we had our first target zone. The main target zone still didn't change, and it is around $70,000 for the bull scenario. Quickly moving on to the Ethereum, same scenario, you can see it, but on the other side, as you can see, we have the same scenario as a BTC, a higher lows, which is a bullish divergence. So the levels that one needs to watch for the Ethereum will be 1700 and 1650. Alongside, it matched with our golden zone of the Fibonacci level 0.5, 1666 level. However, at the moment, we are seeing that it is rejecting from 382 level, which is 1577. But when we look into a 4 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame is heavily under the water. Same scenario I can say for 2 hour, we are on the bear zones. 1 hour time frame, under the 1 hour time frame, I can say it is trying to recover and to move on to the bullish zone. However, the levels that I mentioned, Fibonacci, as well as this is very interesting zone for me to watch in the coming hours, 1700 and 1650, and probably we will reject right from these levels. It is less likely at the moment, but we'll even go to all the way up to 755 level. If we're going to get rejection one of these golden zones, and the next level, I doubt that we're going to hold this 1450 and 1380. We will be straight going to see 1150, 1200 area, because this is our daily and weekly support level is. So expected scenario will be something like that. Going to get rejected, a bit of consolidation, and we will see this type of sharp correction in the market. The reason that I said we might go towards the down, because as we can see the weekly candle, they didn't close well, and I'm keep saying that the Ethereum price action is very slow and it looks weaker than BTC. And as we witnessed, we didn't move much. This bear engulfing is much more uglier than BTC price action. So as I said, this resistance level is going to be crucial. If we cannot, and then this time it's highly likely we're going to lose this support level and we will see 1150, 1200. We came to an end of this episode. If you guys enjoyed it, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.